Hey everybody, it's Ben with 8FD Designs in Decatur, Texas. In our last video, we hung these great lights over the top of this workstation to help us see better and help us save energy. At the end of that video, we'd already set up this workstation to build cornhole boards, so now I'm going to show you how we do that. We sell cornhole boards in our store, teach classes on how to finish and decorate them in our classroom, and do special order patterns and logos for our other customers. For that reason, we make lots and lots of these. We may make 20 or 30 sets at a time and then turn around and they're all gone. So it's time to make some more. Earlier in the week, our plywood supplier brought us 10 sheets of 1/2-inch imported birch plywood. We quickly run these through the table saw and then use a router to put the hole in them. The template that we used to route the holes was made on our laser. To use it properly, you want to make sure that you have the template and the piece of plywood securely clamped to a table. You want to start the router well away from the edge of the hole and make sure you have a firm grip on it. Because we use a lot of pine 2x6 in our shutter operation, we make the frames for our cornhole boards out of 2x6s that have been ripped in half. As all the various pieces are prepped and detailed, they come to this workstation to be assembled. The frames are assembled by pre-drilling the corners and putting them together with 3-inch screws. We then apply glue to the top of the frame and use the plywood to square the assembly, and then nail it together. As they are assembled, each cornhole board is set aside for additional routing, sanding, and finishing. We use scraps from the frame to make the legs, which are rounded on the table saw, routed and sanded, and drilled for the bolts. Although we use big machines to do all of this work, there's nothing here that can't be done with more simple tools. A skill saw with a track guide, a router, a chop saw, and a cordless drill are really all you need to do this project. So here's some shots of our cornhole boards being personalized and put to use. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel to follow along. And if you're ever in the area, come and see us in Decatur, Texas.